Everyone, say hi to Kratos.
Hi, Kratos.
Kratos. Kratos. Hi. 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 Hi, Kratos. He's a rescue dog, and we rescued him. He is a full-bred husky. Alaskan. Oh, is it Alaskan? I mean, is it Alaskan or Siberian? A full-bred Siberian husky. He's 5. He's a big boy. He's an old man, but still, look how he is great. He's lovable too.
What do you smell out there, huh?
He's potty trained, so.
Oh my god!
You guys got a dog? No way! Oh my god! What?
Wait, this is your guys'?
Yeah, it's ours. Ours.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
His name is Kratos.
god. Wow.
Hi, Kratos. Hi. Aww.
Did you guys, wait, is it a boy?
It's a rescue. It's a boy.
Okay.
He's a full bred.
Wow. Oh my god.
He's big, huh?
Did you guys give him a name now?
Kratos.
Kratos, he's
Yeah,
a rescue dog.
he's a rescue dog, so.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. He's so big.
Where's he gonna stay? In the garage?
He's a, yeah.
His eyes are
I know.
Making one of those glow balls.
First time walking our new dog. I'm gonna get a new leash, new collar, get him groomed up. He was a rescue dog.
Wait, what does it mean by rescue dog?
So we're gonna go right here?
Yeah. Wait, was he rescued? Or wait, Mom, what do you mean a rescue?
Thank you. We're eating at Costco. I got 2 Polish dogs.
That's it, the pizza.
Really got a cheese pizza because she can't eat meat. But she did get that, but I can't have that.
Water costume I sent.
Ooh, that's cute.
Picked up some stuff for our trip. I really need a new hard drive right there. And then I always keep using up 32 gig SD cards, so we're gonna get 2 of the 64. This is $50, so.
Oh, we can buy bananas though over here.
Mary Lou has already done damage without me when I was looking for stuff.
I have to.
Lots of fruits.
Yeah, because it's the only thing I need.
Yeah.
Oh, hey vlog. Today we are at Costco. We got some.
Oh, sorry.
water.
The water?
Yeah, they have water.
It should be done there at the end though. You're welcome.
Wait, delete. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Wait, delete that. I have to restart.
Huh?
Where'd your mom go?
You have to restart. That's.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. Today we are at Costco. We got some delicious food. You know, grocery shopping. You know. See you guys next time. It's recording. Hi guys. So today we are at Costco, and there's a bunch of people all around. And you know, this is my first time doing this. So, hey guys. Okay, you can turn it off. Can you turn it off? I don't know how to turn it off.
Go ahead, Sally. Go ahead.
I was looking for fish.
I'm dead. So we got some, but I don't know what editing to sell. We got some lobster.
So you guys keep louder.
What's this?
Is this for the PlayStation? Danny's running out of room.
No, he's not.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry, honey.
It's okay.
The drink, Mom. I'm gonna go refill the drink.
Put the stuff.
Yeah, go. Hurry up.
Wait, I have to.
So we're done at Costco now. So we are going to Petco to see if they have a doggy bed, because we did look at Costco, but they're kind of expensive.
Costco haul. This is what we got.
That is so
we got-
hot. Did you show them your new dog?
Yeah.
Right? That's cool. His name is Kratos.
So we got mac and cheese,
Big dog.
the spinach artichoke,
Did you get ice cream?
no,
No.
Neutrogena makeup wipes. I need that. What are you doing?
Dog.
And then organic cucumbers. Yeah, you gotta watch that. Tuna. I got salmon. Baby potatoes. And I got asparagus, Munster cheese. Oh no.
Were my friends right there?
Yeah, they're weird.
Yeah, I know.
Mango.
They scared you. I told them. Here. Why? What happened? My friends, they wanted to see.
Cantaloupe. I got Asian salad, baby spinach,
Dad,
strawberries,
can I start going to practice next week?
grapes, tortillas, eggs, and I got organic tofu firm. Since I can't eat meat, this is my meat. And then I got some Tupperware. Well, not Tupperware, it's a glass Tupperware, so I can just put it in the microwave.
You go start going back to practice.
I got bread. I got bread, and then I got oranges. I got a whole box of oranges. I got cheese. So I'm gonna be making quesadillas, vegetarian quesadillas, cherry tomatoes, right there, and then fish sticks, bananas, avocados, Cheerios, mushrooms, French bread, and this yummy cheese, almond milk, Vienna sausage, nectarine, black or blueberries, and lobster ravioli, garlic. And yeah, that's it.
Well, we went up to Lee Canyon today. Bring Kratos to his roots up here in the snow. Not much snow up here right now, but it should be fine enough. I need to go put my sweater on, boy.
Let me take a picture with him here. Here, hold it, and then have him sit down.
He's in his roots. Sit, boy.
Got our snacks in here. Whoa, look it, because of the elevation. Got some veggie chips. Got some fruit.
Some fruit.
Here. And I got some veggies.
Stay, boy. Stay. Hey.
Kratos! Kratos! Hi, Kratos! Hi, Kratos!
Sit, boy. Sit right here. Sit down right here, boy.
Sit, sit.
Good boy.
Good boy, bub.
Good job.
Stay there.
Come say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say Say hi to everyone. Kratos. Here you go. Come here, Kratos. Kratos. Where are you? Come here. Hi, Kratos. Come here. Come here. He's a good boy.
Stay, boy. Stay. No.
Anyways, we went to Whole Foods. I'm gonna do just a little haul. So we got Andrew and RJ got some root beer from Whole Foods. And we already started munching on this bean-filled jalapeno nachos with bean and rice chips. This was good. What else do we have here? Pop chips, sour cream and onion. Veggie. I have to have my veggie chips. So veggie chips. Another pop chips, salt and vinegar, and gotta have tortilla chips. That's in that bag. It's just a little haul, cause I gotta get some stuff for me since I can't have meat. So I got multigrain seed bread and got this Kite Hill. It's a vegan cream cheese style spread, jalapeno, dairy free, soy free. It's a vegan spread, and I'm gonna be putting like cucumbers on it, tomatoes, stuff like that. And pub cheese, cheddar with jalapenos. I don't know. Andrew got that. So let's see what else. Oh, I got my fresh shrimp. Gotta have my shrimp because I can't have meat. And of course, they wanted their meat. So ham and turkey breasts. And they got, this haul is supposed to be for me, but they put stuff in the cart. So chicken taquitos and my favorite butter, the Kerrygold pure Irish butter. And I got my California extra virgin olive oil, which I'm actually gonna pair it with, hold on, with this, the Maine lobster ravioli. So it says to put extra virgin olive oil and some lemon, or my favorite sauce, but I'm good with this. This is really good. And last but not least, snack crackers for our jalapeno and artichoke dip. So yeah, that is my little Whole Foods haul.
Shake, shake.
Let me see. Hold on. Can I do it again?
Kratos, shake. Kratos, shake. 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 Kratos, shake.
Good boy, Kratos. Good boy.
Want a treat?
No.
What?
After dinner.
Kratos, come here. Come here. Kratos. Kratos, come here. Come here. Come here, Kratos. Over here.
Kratos up.
No, watch. Come here, Kratos. Kratos. Come here. Good job, boy. Sit, sit. Sit, Kratos. Good job, bub. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Kratos. Lay down. Lay down, Kratos. Lay down. Lay down, Kratos. Lay down.
Lay down, boy.
Lay down, boy. Lay down.
Come on, Kratos. Lay down. Lay down, Kratos. He doesn't want to.
Hi, Kratos. So it's been 3 days. Is it 3 or 4 days?
3 days.
3 days since we had our boy.
4.
4 days?
4 days.
Okay. So we actually took him to the vet. Didn't vlog that because it was like right after work. Took him to the vet. What is it called? Stephanie Animal Hospital. And his doctor is Dr. Jonas. He's very good. So if you guys want to take your pets there, if you're in the area of Henderson, He's very good. He was referred or recommended by Alexis, which is RJ's friend from high school, and she works there. She's a vet tech there, so we went there. So what he did, he got chipped. He had 4 different shots, including the rabies shots. He got examined. He weighs about 79 pounds, which he is actually 9 pounds overweight. So we put him on a diet. And he's doing well so far. So he takes 3 walks a day. RJ takes him twice a day, in the morning and in the afternoon, and then we take him at night. Or when he gets home, or with Andrew when he gets home. This is Andrew's and the boys' dinner. Adobong baka. Beef adobo. And then this is mine. This is mine, only mine. Just kidding.
This is very lemony.
It's good or
Yeah,
no?
very lemony.
So this is salmon, my salmon, and I'll be taking this to work. And Genevieve's probably gonna eat half of this, even though it's only mine.
Stay. Not yet. Stay. 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 Go!
Good boy, Kratos.
Quavos.
See, he's such a good dog. Good boy, Kratos.
He's about to set up. He's setting up. Setting up. He's stance.
Because we're all looking at him.
He stands now.
You like that wet food, huh, boy?
He likes lay down. It's his favorite thing to do. Lay down.
It digests more when they lay down like that.
They do?
Yeah, big dogs.
So can I do that?
You're not.
Just sideways.
Does it look cool?
Yeah.
He probably like, I'll save that for later.
You need your dry food too. All of it's wet.
The bull.
Wait.
What's up, guys? We just got off work. We're here at PetSmart. Gonna get this boy his groom. He's gonna get groomed today.
RJ.
Oh my god. No. Was she biting?
No.
Oh, she's good.
No.
She just wants to jump and play. Puffy, you just. I like that you're not scared of the big donkeys.
Here, Jay. Give.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I had an appointment with you at 6, but yeah, Phoebe. Okay.
I couldn't tell if it was a big dog or...
Just dropped off Kratos to get his bath, and gonna eat Blaze real quick. So baby ordered a vegetarian pizza, a veggie pizza, because she can't eat meat, of course. All the veggies are practically on that, and she added tofu chicken, veggie chicken nuggets. And then RJ, mine's still over there. RJ ordered a barbecue chicken pizza, and there is no banana peppers because he doesn't like those. Mine's chicken, bacon, pepperoni, pineapples, green bell pepper, mushrooms, olives, with a little barbecue sauce in there, and I got white sauce too. Oh, and red onion. We gonna eat right now, right? We gonna eat, RJ? Okay.
He's all ready. Where's our boy? Hi, Kratos!
Oh my gosh.
Hi, boy!
Like I said, I got as much hair off as I could. It's still coming.
It's clean.
It's fine, he's clean.
And I did check also. It's a little damp here, but that's also because I couldn't dry his legs. But he did really good for everything else. It's just the dryer, especially for it being maybe his first time. He did a little like. I couldn't have asked for like a better first time for a husky, so it's like.
Hold on,
Let me take this off for you. You don't leave. Come on, sit down, boy. Sit down. Kratos. But he does say his name perfectly.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Say.
Kratos, sit. Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy. Good boy.
You're free.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next week.
Thank you.
Go.
I'm gonna go to the fabric store.
Look, boy. He has his bed inside, all washed and clean. Oh. Hi, boy. Yeah, he's a Giants fan. Right? Right, boy? A Giants fan? Oh, yeah. Got his bed, his Star Wars bed. Good boy. Good boy.
Kratos. Hi, Kratos. We got something. What? It's not for you. It's not for you. Okay, didn't even know he ordered this. I think it's the housing for the GoPro. And this is a battery pack for when we go on a trip, I guess.
Come on, Kratos!
After all that playing, Kratos is tired. Aren't you tired, boy? Yeah. He likes to sleep on or lie down on this because it's cold, and he probably got really hot by running around like that for a couple minutes, like 10 minutes. Yeah, boy. Hear him breathing hard. Shake, boy. Shake. Shake, Kratos. Good boy. One more. Shake. Good boy. You're a good boy.
Look at my new planter from IKEA. Lift
I'm
it.
gonna put it up right now.
Yes, so cute. All right, so go and see. Oh, where I want to see where we're actually gonna put it. I think it's right there or right there. So, yeah.